Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a sponsored video from K Hair. They sent to me their 18 inches bone straight hair for a review. Guys, unboxing the hair, you are going to see these three beautiful hair bundles from K Hair with a full frontal lace closure. So guys, let's check out this beautiful closure because it's looking amazing. Yeah, I love this closure. You don't need to plug the hair because it's already plugged. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be using a model. So the first thing I'll do is to braid our hair down. I'm going to make it all back. So guys, keep watching. If you are new to this channel, you are so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to this channel so that you become part of this great family. And please remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be among those that will receive the notification. So guys, after braiding, I'm going to go ahead and use my gel to lay down the front of our hair to make it, look neat in preparation for the laying of the lace frontal. So guys, remember all information about this hair is in the description box below in case you want to patronize this company because their hair is so wonderful, soft, and does not even shade at all. So you can visit the description box of this video to place your order with them. And their wonderful manager, Minnie, is doing an amazing job. He has this wonderful customer relationship. She's always there to attend to you. So do visit the description box of this video to get your own hair from K Hair. So guys, in order to protect our edges where the lace will be laid down, because we are going to use glue to lay the frontal, so I'm going to go ahead and use this soft wig cap to protect our hair. Just wear it and use your Got2b Glued spray to secure the cap on our head. After that, go ahead and sew the cap together with our hair. Then you can now cut off the excesses at the front of the hair. The next thing I'll do now is to use a powder or foundation that matches that of her skin tone to apply on the cap before laying the lace down. I'm going to as well apply the foundation on the lace frontal. This will make it to look like that of her skin tone. After that, the next thing I'll do is to apply my wig glue. So after applying the glue, I'm going to allow it to dry off. Which after that, I'll check if the glue is enough. If it's not enough, I will apply more, then allow it to dry a little bit before I will lay down the lace frontal. Laying down the lace frontal, you have to lay the front first. Part must be at the center of her face before you now proceed to the side. Just watch on the screen to understand better. So guys, check out this bone stretch from K Hair. You won't even believe that this hair is fixed on human head. I love this hair so much. Brushing this hair is not shading at all. The hair, the texture, everything, the length, the thickness, everything about this hair is so perfect. Remember, you can visit the description box of this video for all information about this hair. You can check them out on their website and visit them on their Instagram page to see other beautiful hairs that you can purchase from this company. So like I told you before, they have a very wonderful customer relationship. Just ring out to Minnie. She's always there to attend to you. So guys, let's keep going. So what I'll do now is to section out the baby hair. After that, I'll proceed to use iron comb to brush the hair so that it can lay down very well. Later, I'll cut off the excesses at the front of the head. Then we proceed to styling the hair. The final look of this hair is going to wow you. So just don't go anywhere. Keep watching. Check out the transformation in 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Remember to visit the description box of this video to purchase your own hair from K Hair. Love you guys. Bye.